Hi guys, welcome back. So I actually just finished getting dressed for the day and I brewed my second cup of coffee. I just got these new mugs from HomeGoods and they're so cute because they're like very aesthetically pleasing. They have like the double walled glass, which I think is really cute. I actually got a new Keurig machine and I absolutely love it. It's the one that has like the 5 streams, so it's supposed to give your coffee like a better blended taste. But the coffee that I always drink for probably about a year now is the one from Starbucks, and it's the Veranda blend. It's a medium roast, which is perfect for me. I figured I would show you guys what I put in my coffee. So first up, I love using organic half and half. And then sometimes I like to put a tiny bit more. I usually like a nice medium color, and then I take like this French vanilla powder. I get mine at Walmart, and I find that the Walmart brand, like the Great Value, tastes so much better than like the Coffee Mate brand or any other like name brand. I usually just put a sprinkle of that in, and then I finally like to use 3 Splenda, and this like sweetens my coffee the perfect amount. I find that the combo of these 3 literally tastes so good. I've been drinking this combination for probably like over a year now, and I cannot get enough. I literally have so many house chores to do today, so I'm probably going to do the dishes first, and then I do have some returns to do at the mall later. And yes, my Christmas tree is still up. It is the middle of February, but in my defense, I was waiting on this, and it's like a tree bag, so we actually don't have to dismantle the whole tree. We just slip the bag right on top of it, and I think Frankie is going to be putting it downstairs this weekend in our garage, just so when it's time for next year, we just take the tree up and take the bag off and it's completely assembled. So I do already have 1 load of towels in the wash now, but I definitely still have quite a few towels to throw in. But before I do anything, I want to take care of this situation and make my bed. I love making my bed every single day because when I come in the room, I just feel like calm and put together. But the sheets I usually wash once a week, and I washed them about 2 days ago. So they're all good for today, but right now is when I would wash them, when I'm throwing in the towels. And I'm really pleasantly surprised with the sheets that I have on my bed right now. I actually got them at Walmart. I am so surprised by the quality of these sheets. They're really soft and luxurious, and I honestly prefer these sheets over my more expensive ones, and I think these are only like 40 bucks. I have them in the king size, but obviously they come in all different sizes and colors, so I will link them below if you guys are interested. So right now I'm just gonna make the bed quick. I'm gonna throw in the load of towels, and then I'm gonna get started on the dishes.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad, my bad. When I wake up you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes 2. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes 2. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now.
So I'm back in the kitchen, and before I load the dishwasher, I have to unload it, and I have 3 pots over here soaking. How cute are my pots though? They're pink. And every time I cook like rice or oatmeal or anything like that, I put a little bit of soap in the bottom of the pans or pots, and then this is the soap that I use, and then I put hot water in them, so they've been soaking for a good while now. And then for when I do dishes, I actually like to wear plastic gloves. And this is like a little tip to make your nails last longer. And also just in case your nails are lifting in the back, you shouldn't be like doing dishes because the water could get trapped underneath and cause bacteria to grow. So I always wear gloves when I do the dishes. Something else I always do when I do the dishes is I make sure to lay dish towels on the counters just so when I'm done like washing the pots or the pans, I can lay them on here to dry. I should probably get a drying mat or like a drying rack, but I feel like that doesn't look like that pretty in the kitchen and it's kind of like a nuisance to always have on the counter. So I choose to just lay dish towels out and then just throw them in the wash when I'm done.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad. My bad. When I wake up you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your.
So Frankie actually got me these really gorgeous flowers for Valentine's Day, and it's like a really pretty dried pink bouquet. And he got them, I believe, from a company in California that sells dried bouquets, but it didn't come with a vase, so I picked this one up at HomeSense for really cheap. I think it was like $15. Yeah, I still have the tag. It's like $16.99, and I just think this looks so gorgeous. I put it in the center of our table, and then I just have it on this kind of like wooden Lazy Susan, and if you could see, there's little Mickey Mouses engraved, and it's actually from a little Instagram shop. I'll put the name here, and then I'll also link the shop down below, but we usually just keep this on the center of our table because we put like hot plates and food on it, and I just think this bouquet sitting on top of it looks absolutely gorgeous. And then let me shut the lights off so you could see better, but we actually got a new dining room chandelier, and I will link this one below. I found it off of Overstock, I believe, and it's like the perfect mixture of like country, rustic, glam. I really have a whole array of styles that I'm pulled towards, so I feel like this kind of wraps them all up into one. Now I'm just so happy that I have a cute little centerpiece, and of course I love any pop of pink. So probably a couple times a day I'll wipe my counters down after I'm done loading the dishwasher, and I use this Lysol spray. It literally smells so good. I think it's scented like lemons. Yeah, citrus sparkle. I let that sit for a little bit, and then I make sure to clean out my toaster. It literally collects so many crumbs, but I do like that the Smeg toasters have the feature to like pop out the bottom. And then my Keurig also gets like disgusting and stained from like the coffee dripping, so I will take the Lysol spray and like drench it, and then I'll just wipe everything down with a paper towel.
Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you.
I do like to run over the entire house with the vacuum once a day. I do a deep cleaning like once a week, I would say, with like a mop and then a big heavy vacuum. But since I have a white carpet in here and I cook a lot, so food gets on the floor and crumbs accumulate, so I like to keep up with it so the floors do not get dirty. And this vacuum I just picked up off Amazon. I have a nice like Dyson vacuum on my registry, but I'm gonna hold out and wait for my bridal shower to get that. So this one's just really good for quickly picking up any crumbs. and stuff like that.
Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry, my service bad. My bad. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you.
We're in the home section and they have the cutest like little hot plates. It almost looks like a wooden marble, and like these coasters.
It's like a cheese board, I think.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Are those little ones?
Yeah, no, look how cute. They're little measuring cups.
Are they measuring cups?
Yeah.
It's so cute. I think this is like a candle stick holder.
When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want.
We wanted to pick up the slip gentle like silk wash because we have slip masks. See, like the mask that we wear all the time is like the silk slip brand, and then our pillowcases are also from the brand Slip, and they are pretty dirty. So we got like this special detergent that the brand makes to wash it with. But now we're on our way to get something to eat. I think we're going to
The Cheesecake Factory.
And I'm really excited because I love the cheesecake bread. But it's literally down the block. So once we get through all of these cars, I don't know who's blocking it up, we could make our way to the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, this person's like holding up 20 people. I don't know.
Listen.
Like someone's car.
It's the Purge. Every time I hear like a loud noise like that, I feel like
we're
it's
in the Purge.
Yeah. So I don't know what's going on right now, but we're literally like stuck.
For like 20 minutes.
No, it's been like 5.
I know. I'm just really hungry.
I know. I'm literally starving. And we're listening to
Just
Ariana. Okay. I'm getting hangry now. We're still sitting
Leaving
here.
Nordstrom.
My phone is always completely dead and I don't know what to do with it. It's like the new one. So I guess the battery should be better. Like literally 15 minutes later. To the right, and please don't hit anybody. I should have drove Amanda.
I know, Gina. I literally don't know how to drive. I don't know why you trust me.
I don't anymore.
You really should.
I'm driving from here on out.
I agree.
So I got the chicken Bellagio, and it's like a pesto pasta with like a fried chicken cutlet, and then it comes with like an arugula and prosciutto salad. And then Amanda's being healthy.
I don't know what I got.
You just got steak?
Yeah, I just asked
grilled,
for it.
And then like grilled broccoli and asparagus. So I just got home a little while ago. I changed into my pajamas and I put my robe on every night. My aunt actually got Frankie and I a Barefoot Dreams bathrobe for Christmas, and these are actually the ones off my registry, so she purchased them for us a little bit early. And then Disney did a collection with Barefoot Dreams, so mine actually has Minnie Mouse on the back, which I'm literally obsessed with. I'm in love with Disney. And then it does go pretty long on me. It goes to about my ankles. I'll back up so you can see. So it literally feels like I'm walking around in a Barefoot Dreams blanket. I mean, I used to walk around in my Barefoot Dreams blankets like wrapped around me when I didn't have a robe. So now that I have the robe, I am literally like not taking it off. And I always keep a lip balm in my bathrobe. The one that I'm literally obsessed with is by the brand Laneige, and I get the flavor Berry. It does have a slight tint to it, if you could see, but I'm literally obsessed with this lip balm. It is a little bit pricey, but it's literally worth every penny. A lot of lip balms actually make my lips like crack and stuff like that, but this one just feels so smooth, so glossy and buttery. But right now I'm about to watch Bridgerton. I think I have like 1 or 2 episodes left, but I'm literally obsessed with Bridgerton. I think I binge watched it in like almost 2.5 days, and I'm so happy because I looked it up and they are coming out with a season 2, which I'm definitely gonna watch like all in one day. I mean, I'm almost done with it and I think I'm gonna watch it, the whole series again next week because I loved it so much. But before I do finish Bridgerton, I'm gonna make myself a little bag of popcorn. This is the one that I always pop literally like once a night. It's from the Pop Secret brand, and I believe this is like the 100-calorie one. I don't know if it says it, but I do buy the 100-calorie one just so it's not like a huge bag. Oh my God, it literally smells so good. So I'm just gonna be spending the remainder of my night finishing Bridgerton. Sadly, I literally do not want it to end. And then of course, eating my popcorn. But I'm gonna wrap up today's video here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little productive day in my life, doing some house chores, running some errands, and of course I will link everything that you saw in the video below. If you like these kind of videos, please give this one a thumbs up so I know you enjoy them, and then of course hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. That's all I have for you guys for today. Good night, and I will see you in my next one.